Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I will be unboxing a wig that I got from Luvme Hair. So as you can see, this is, it comes in the UPS package. So, and I ordered this on a Friday. Today is Tuesday. So it was very quick. It was quick shipping, great customer service from this company. And this is my second time ordering from this company. As you can see in my previous videos, I did a review on, can it fit a big-headed person? But this time on the website, I was able to find a size that was larger than the medium size that you'll see. But as you can see, this is the lovely box, and it says Luvme Hair, and it's wrapped nicely with a bow. So beautiful in purple. Bam! You'll see the hair, and looking off camera because I'm looking in the mirror as well, so I'm just trying to make sure I'm showing you guys what's all in the box. So you'll see the hair in a nice sheer bag. It says Luvme Hair, so a nice little bag to keep your wig in. And also in the box you will see a nice little bag with some goodies in it, a wig cap. Also get some instructions, and that's it, that's in the box. And then so it's a $5 gift card. So yeah, going to keep that. But on here it just says the return, about the refund. Yes, I bought this wig on my own money, so it just has the instructions. Again, wig cap. Then let's see what's in the bag. Inside the bag, you will see a nice little edge scarf that says Luvme Hair on it, purple. Some bobby pins. Also, a cute little clip that says Luvme. That's cute. That says Luvme. It's really cute. Oh, and then also the band, I guess you can, sew it in the wig. The band, they add that on there. Then you have, can't go wrong with another edge brush, and then tweezer. So it's a cute little gift to get all in there. So the wig that I had to write it down. I have the Undetectable Lace Body Wave 13x4 frontal lace wig, 3 cap sizes. I have 16-inch, and I have the large cap size. The density is 180. So here is the wig right here. No smell. I have to double check. So it says it's HD. So it says it's HD lace. So I'm trying to, see if it's giving that HD type feel. Looks more like a, I don't know if you can see that lace. Yeah. So maybe I should have did it like that. So you kind of see what it looks like on your skin. Does look like I need to bleach the dots. So yeah, it did say that it was pre-plucked. So you will see that. And that's a cute little, look like it's already curled. So I'm saying, oh, it already has a band inside. I thought I would have to add a band. I'm so terrible at showing y'all. Well, look, but you got I gotta look from right here. You got 4 combs inside, an adjustable band, and the band inside. So it looks pretty good. So for me, anytime I put on a wig, I'm gonna always wash it first. No matter where it's coming from, I'm gonna wash it. So yeah, I'm gonna wash the wig first before I put it on my head. But it looks like it's already like curled and styled. Feeling like that day I'm gonna put it on. But yeah, this is the 16-inch Luvme hair 13x4 undetectable wig. So as you can see, that's what it looks like. And it do look like the knots are bleached. This doesn't look like that at the top. So if you could kind of see, it looks like the knots are pre-bleached. So cause you kind of see like it looks, ooh girl, baby, you ashy. You kind of see it looks a little gold right there. I don't know if my camera bring it back. So it looks like it's kind of already bleached. Who knew? So I may not, but you kind of see at the beginning the little dots right there. That's why I said I might have to. I don't know. I got this little ponytail on my head. I don't even know if you can be able to see. I'm just rambling at this point. But yeah, this ain't gonna be on my head like that. So yeah, I can't wait to put this on. You know, I still got my Luvme hair, other wig, the bob, but let's see. You can kind of see what it look like up close. Okay, you know the look. Okay, look good. Okay, we're gonna try this on. Gonna pluck it a little more, give it realistic, but yeah, look like I got my it look ridiculous, but yes, I'm crazy. But yeah, guys, thank you for joining me today. On the next video, you will see me installing this wig on my head. So again, Luvme hair, the 13x4 undetectable lace wig. That's what I got it for. Got it from a 16-inch. The next video, you will see me installing it as a glueless wig. So stay tuned. Bye.